Demonstrating two of the Lec Pharmacy fridges from Lec Medical. Lec Pharmacy fridges maintain a temperature of between 2 and 8 degrees centigrade for safe storage of vaccines, insulins, lab samples and pharmaceuticals. The antimicrobial handle helps prevent the growth of bacteria and minimizes potential for cross-contamination. The fridges are lockable and the temperature is clearly displayed. An alarm activates when the temperature deviates outside the set limits. Promed recommends the use of a data logger to record your fridge temperature readings. A variety of models are available, some of which can store up to a year's worth of data. An open door sensor alerts the user that the fridge has been left open. We offer glass and solid door models in a variety of sizes to suit your requirements. Established in 1940, Lec Medical offers a wide range of space-efficient fridges and freezers for primary care, pharmacies and hospitals. For further information, log on to our website www.promed.ie or call the team at Promed on free phone 1800 619 619.